Now, this is a business of communication and people, right? And so you have to ask yourself, how are we communicating? But at the same time, not everybody enjoys, the same level of communication, right? Not everybody enjoys the same form of communication, right? So you might have some people who generally like to text all the time, right? You may have some families who want to call and speak on the phone all the time. You might even get some families that only want to communicate with you via email, right? It happens, right? But you have to ask a parent or a caregiver what's their best form of contact, and then stay consistent with that best form of contact, because this is what they said at the start of services. And so you don't want to contact them in a way that they don't like contacting or communicating, because they might not respond to you, or they might just feel some type of way because you specifically asked them, what's your best form of contact? So if they say text message, but all you do is send emails, obviously you're going to run into a problem, right? So you want to be able to ask what's their best form of contact, and you want to stick to that throughout your time working with that family.